If you want to generate your thumbnails with minimal effort using AI, then Fliki AI is a good place to start. Let me show you how you can do this. Open up the Fliki AI application on your smartphone and log into your account using your email address or your Google account. After logging in, you will end up within the homepage. Now first you will run into the video section. If you scroll down, you will find audio. And finally, there is the design section, which contains thumbnails. Tap on the thumbnail option, and now you will be asked to enter your topic. Here you will need to enter the main topic of your video or the contents of your thumbnail. Go ahead and type in your video topic and tap on next. Now just choose your language, your tone, as well as your purpose and your audience. You can choose multiple entries within each category as well. After making your selection, tap on the next button. And now you may define your aspect ratio as well as your media type. You can choose to use stock media or you may choose to use AI. Tap on the submit button after making your selection. And now in just a few seconds, your thumbnail will be generated for you. The result of your image generation depends upon the prompts and the details that you provide. So make sure to be clear and specific on what elements you want inside of your thumbnail. You can download and share the generated thumbnail and use it on your videos and projects right away. So there you have it. That is how you can generate thumbnails on the Fliki AI application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.